Going public or still protected? Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Kira Phillips. We are now hours away from that legal deadline to release all the Epstein files. But Deputy AG Todd Blanche says he doesn't believe they can fully comply with that law mandating the release of the sex offenders' files by midnight tonight. Democrats outraged, saying they will now examine all legal options in the face of this violation of federal law. Our Chief Justice Correspondent Pierre Thomas actually sat down with AG Todd Blanche today. So, Pierre, what did he tell you?
Well, Kara, he said, as you just mentioned, all the files will not be coming out today. He's adamant that they will comply with the letter of the law. And he also said that President Trump will not be shown favoritism. Will every document that mentions President Trump, every picture of him, every video, every bit of information related to him in these files be released today or at some point in this process?
Assuming it's consistent with the law, yes. So there's no effort to hold anything back because there's the name Donald J. Trump or anybody else's name, Bill Clinton's name, Reid Hoffman's name. There's no effort to hold back or not hold back because of that. And so, but again, we're not redacting the names of famous men and women that are associated with Epstein.
To be clear, you're saying DOJ has not been ordered to redact anything related to President Trump, that there's no order to do such?
No, I mean, I would give the order. President Trump has certainly said from the beginning that he expects all files that can be released to be released, and that's exactly what we're doing.
All right, so if we don't see these files tonight, is there actually any legal recourse that Democrats can take because they're threatening to do that?
That's unclear. We'll have to see if the political rhetoric is backed by actual litigation to see what they actually can do. Will they attempt to hold DOJ officials in contempt of Congress? We'll have to wait and see. That would need some level of bipartisan support, one would think, but there's a lot to be determined on that regard.
Now, some of these Epstein files will be released, right? So do we have any idea what we could see?
The Deputy Attorney General said hundreds of thousands of pages to be released today, but there's still several 100,000 more that could be released over the next few days. So we're talking about a huge amount of material, so much intrigue, so much whatever. We soon will see some of it, but will it be enough to pacify all the people who think that every iota of information should come out?
Stay tuned, and it's going to be a lot of paperwork to go through as well. Pierre Thomas, thank you.